Looking for an ultra-powerful robot vacuum? Dyson has introduced the 360 Vis Nav Robot Vacuum, which Dyson says packs twice the suction power of other robot vacuums and is designed for all floor types. We've got to check this out. First, we've got the D-shaped body and low-profile design, so it can reach into corners and under furniture. The full-width brush bar provides a wide cleaning path and is effective across different floor types, so it can handle pet hair on carpets or crumbs on hard floors. It has dual-link suspension, so it can climb up to 0.8 inches, like when going from hard flooring to a rug. And it has side ducts for edge cleaning. When the vacuum detects a wall, the suction is redirected to the side ducts. And of course, it has HEPA filtration. With its 360-degree visual navigation, this vacuum sees where to clean and remembers where it has been, able to adapt to changes in your room in real time. The LED light ring here helps the vacuum operate in low light and corners. It maps and remembers hotspots where it finds higher amounts of debris to increase suction power when needed. The maps for your room and cleaning history can all be viewed inside the My Dyson app on your phone. In the My Dyson app, you can also set your cleaning schedule, desired power mode, auto, quick, quiet, or boost, and set areas on the map to avoid. Now, let's talk about the impressively high-level processor. It helps the vacuum make complex calculations to optimize its cleaning path and avoid obstacles. Equipped with 26 sensors that take measurements 20 times every second, it can detect and maneuver around obstacles on your floor, like pet toys or socks. This is crucial for households with kids, pets, or just a lot of stuff. A few more nice features. It's compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. It has a nice-sized dustbin and a one-touch ejection mechanism to drop the dust into your trash bin. And it monitors its own battery level to return to the charging dock before it runs out of power. When it's recharged, it'll pick up where it left off with up to 65 minutes of runtime. Use the My Dyson app to turn on automatic software updates, and the Vis Nav will receive upgrades to functionality and intelligent features as Dyson offers improvements over time. If you'd like more info, you can shop with an expert on bestbuy.com. Thanks for watching.